Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer CapCut projects from phone to your PC. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, just open the CapCut application in your mobile and then you have to log into the same account on both the mobile and the PC. First of all, log in the mobile and then we will log in with the same account that we started on the mobile but on the PC. And now we will choose the project that we want to transfer from the mobile to your PC. Click on these three dots next to the project and tap on this upload to space. Tap on this space, click on this auto upload and tap on select. We have to wait between 30 seconds and 1 minute. Then we will go to the PC and here in spaces we will click here. Now we will click here to refresh until the project appears. And that's pretty much it. That's how to transfer CapCut projects from phone to PC. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.